Hare Krishna, I'm Vijay Lakshmi. I would like to share about how I came into Krishna consciousness and the importance of chanting Mahamantra. In the year 2013, one of our friends invited to their house for Damodar program, and it was the last day, like Kartika Purnami, and I went to their house. Like it's like in the building, it's three flats, so they did individual house Damodar program. So we did Damodar Harati and chanting in each house. Like 3 times we did Harati and 3 times we did chanting, and we had a prasadam. And then we went to it was by the time we finished Damodar 3 houses, and it was in the evening. So we returned back to our house. As soon as we came nearing to the house, we got call from our neighbors saying that we invited Krishna to their house. So please come and join. So we were surprised again. We went to their house and we had Aarti, and I thought, okay, even I want to invite. So Manohar Prabhu first came to our house on Kartika Mas and the last day of Damodar, and we quickly made prasadam and we offered to Krishna, and we did Damodar Harati, and that after that my second one was born on December 16, and he was also born with Krishna Nakshatra Rohini. So next year again I invited Damodar to our house, and Hemant Prabhu did that program. After that, slowly we started monthly programs in our house, and after monthly, then we went into Bhakti Vriksha. And initially I used to do one round we are regularly attending Bhakti Vriksha classes. There was a change in my materially and spiritually as well. I started growing like 1, 2, then 4, then 8 rounds, and after that, like I was on 8 rounds for a couple of months because I have to look after 2 children, and then I got job after coming into Krishna consciousness. After that, like looking after kids and going for work and chanting, how to manage. So but after after getting guidance from the seniors, then I they advised me how to manage my work, and like they came to our house and they spent so much time on us. And after their guidance, when they I feel when they come to our house, I feel like Krishna come in their form and tell us how to improve our chanting and the way of living. And whenever they give the guidance, after they leave, it will happen, it will improve whatever problems I was facing. So it will be cleared. And on Vaikunta Ekadashi, I started my 16 rounds with the help of Supriya Mataji, the Supriya Janavi Mataji. From then I was doing regularly 16 rounds. But after coming into 16 rounds, when I was doing one round, the concentration, I was little bit upset all the times, like scared, depression before coming chanting. But after coming into Krishna conscious and increasing rounds, the mood and service to Krishna and spending time with children all improved, and spending time with family members and association of devotees, everything changed with the Mahamantra. Because I was able to do in the morning, I used to get up in the morning 5 o'clock and I do my rounds. I try to finish, but if I can't, I'll do after coming from work. But after doing chanting only, I'll start my cooking and other household works. And after that, if I go to work also, my day goes very well. Even I'm able to finish my work on time, and all the difficulties in the workplace also is cleared. And initial days, like you may feel difficult in the chanting. 1 round, 2 rounds, it may take half an hour, but as you grow, as you increase your rounds, and you can feel the presence of Krishna with you. Even if you don't do one day, you feel like something is separated from you, and the vibration makes you feel so happy and energetic. And it helps you to do everything in the, like whatever you need to do in the whole day. That is like spiritual energy. We never get it without chanting. If we can see the difference once you, like if you do 16 rounds, and if you next day if you don't do that rounds, you can really observe what is missing in our life. This spiritual energy is from chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. It is my own real experience. Actually, early morning when we get up and do first thing in the morning, if you start chanting, that mood and calmness, and it will improve your memory power, intelligence for serving Krishna. And after chanting, when whatever we do, the full day will be with more energetic and enthusiasm. And when suddenly, if some or the other reason, if I can't do the morning chanting, the whole day it affects without chanting. How I can see the difference with chanting and without chanting. I improved myself. Even now I'm able to speak in front of you is only the power of Mahamantra. By chanting Hare Krishna mantra, I got both the spiritual and material benefits. And materially, I came out from depression, and my mind became calm, and I was able to take correct decisions, and confidence improved, and very focused in the workplace, and I became very strong. And spiritually, I improved my relationship with Krishna and Guru, and devotional service, cooking for Krishna with correct right mood, and association with the devotees. Thank you to my Siksha Guru, Supriya Mataji and Manohar Prabhu, Emneshwar Mataji and Arvind Krishna Prabhu. And thank you for giving an opportunity to share my Krishna conscious journey and power of Mahamantra. I request you all, please chant the holy name and experience the spiritual bliss. Hare Krishna.